Welcome to the Audit Logs module in Bulkify, designed to provide complete visibility into all bulk operations performed across your Jira environment. With Audit Logs, administrators can easily track and monitor every action executed through Bulkify. At the top, powerful filters allow you to search logs by bulk action, action type, status, executed by, source, and date range. This makes it easy to find specific activities and quickly investigate changes when needed. Each log entry provides detailed information, including the action performed, execution date and time, the user who executed it, source and destination details, total records processed, and the number of successful and failed operations. Whether users are being invited, deleted, roles updated, or bulk actions performed across projects and spaces, every activity is securely recorded for complete transparency. This helps administrators with troubleshooting, compliance requirements, auditing, and operational tracking. With Bulkify Audit Logs, you always know who performed an action, when it happened, and what the outcome was. Get started with Bulkify today.